Hello guys, what up? Welcome to Bruce's English. So today we will continue to learn English 900. Let's get started. Okay, so today we're going to talk about days and months, like of the calendar, you know. So, 今天呢我们要学习年历的周日和月份啊，比如说今天是周几啊，然后明天是星期几啊，或者是现在的这个月份是什么呀？这样的一些表达方式。So, the first sentence we're gonna learn is what day is today? What day is today? What day is today? What day is today? OK, 第一句话呢，其实还是包含很多的这个知识的啊。今天是星期几啊？关键点的话呢，是在这个发音的方面。我们看一下这个what day, OK, what day 这两个音的话呢都是辅音啊，都是爆破音 ，OK。那么两个爆破音连在一起的时候，在一个句子里边的话呢，前面那个爆破音 t 只要口型出来就可以了啊。What day, what day 主要是发第二个是吧？口型出来过渡到第二个 What day is today? 今天是星期几 Okay. Today is Monday. Actually, today is Tuesday here. 今天当然我这里是周二 Okay. You know, Tuesday afternoon, as a matter of fact. Okay. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. 今天是周一今天是星期一。What day was yesterday? What day was yesterday? What day was yesterday? What day was yesterday? What day? 同样的这个两个单词是一样的What day was? 注意是昨天的话呢，当然是过去的事情就是 be 动词的过去一般过去式形式单数形式是 was 昨天是星期几。Yesterday was Sunday. 当然了 Today is Monday, of course. Yesterday was Sunday. 昨天的话呢是周日昨天是星期日。OK. What day is tomorrow? 注意这个地方的话呢它是用了一般现在时形式的 is. What 它没有用 will be tomorrow. What day will be tomorrow? 明天是周几？当然了，你说 What day will be tomorrow? 这个语法上也不算错但是大家习惯用What day is tomorrow? 很多时候我们可以用一般现在时来问将来的这个事情，这里就是一个例子，是吧 ？What day? What day is tomorrow? What day is tomorrow? What day is tomorrow? 明天是星期几 ？OK， 问完了星期的话呢，我们问一下月份，是吧 ？OK， 大家星期都很熟的 ，Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday 周一到周七，如果没有背过的要赶紧背过，是吧？这些 month 也是同样的，是吧 ？January, February 什么 March 什么you know like April May June 是吧 ？July August, you know September, October, November, December 这些都要很熟才可以的你不需要那个什么去花很长时间去想马上就能说出来了，是吧？这也是你为什么口语会流利的一个原因嘛。What month is this? What month is this? 现在是几月份现在是几月份？这个音的话呢，后边虽然它不是一个爆破音，m 的音是吧？但是这个我们平时说的时候也不用说的非常清楚。What month? What month is this? 现在是几月份 ？What month is this? What month is this? What month is this? 现在是几月份 ？OK, this is January. January. 现在是1月份 ，This is January. January 是1月是吧 ？This is January. This is January. Okay. Last month was December, wasn't it? 上个月的话呢，当然就是12月，对吗？难道不是吗？Last month was December, wasn't it? Last month was December, wasn't it? Last month was December, wasn't it? Okay. 上个月是12月，对不对？Yes, it was. Yes, it was. 是的，是12月份，是吧 ？OK， What month is next month？ 用一般现在时表示将来，同样的。What month is next month? What month is next month? 下个月是几月份？Of course, it's gonna be February， 是吧？2月份了。Okay. I was in the hospital for several weeks. Okay， 我在医院住了几个星期了。I was in the hospital for several weeks. I was in the hospital for several weeks. I was in the hospital for several weeks. I hope nothing bad happened to you. Okay. Okay， 在医院待了几个星期了，住了几个星期了。OK， 过去式，在过去嘛。Where were you on Tuesday？ 周二你在哪里？星期二你在哪里？ Where were you on Tuesday? Where were you on Tuesday? You were here in February, weren't you? You were here in February, weren't you? 2月份你曾在这里，对不对？2月份你曾在这里，对不对？是吧？ No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't. 不，我没有在这里。Your friend was here a week ago, wasn't he? Your friend was here a week ago, wasn't he? Your friend was here a week ago, wasn't he? 大家注意这个 week， 它是发长 e 的这个发音，是吧？它和这个 a 是有区别的啊。OK， 比如说我们说起来叫醒，把人叫醒是 wake a 是吧？这个是 e week。你要区分这些 subtle differences, you know, of the pronunciation 发音里边的这个细微区别，你要区分的是吧？ So I think that's all the sentence we're gonna learn for today. You know, we have learned for today. Thanks for joining my channel, and also hopefully I'm gonna see you next time.